Hello dear students, I Priyanka Alekari worked as a lecturer at Sri Santakrupa Shikshan Samstha's College of Pharmacy, D Farm, Ghogaon, Karad. Today I am going to discuss the topic antiseptic and disinfectants from the pharmacognosy for D Farm first year. Antiseptic and disinfectants. So what is meant by antiseptic? What is meant by disinfectants? So antiseptic, these are the chemical sterilizing substances which are used to kill pathogenic microbes or prevention of their growth. They should be sufficiently non-toxic for superficial application on the living tissue. There are a lot many natural substances which have antiseptic properties like volatile oil, resins, etc. Antiseptic are applied to broken skin after burns and wounds, or they are applied to intact skin before surgical operations or injections. Sometimes they are also applied to mucous membranes like conjunctiva to prevent or treat superficial infections. Second one is the disinfectants. So what is meant by disinfectants? The term disinfectants indicate destruction or to make a surface free from pathogenic organism. The disinfectants are therefore the substances which kill bacteria and their spores. Generally, the term disinfectant is only applied to tissue due to their toxicity, but are used for decontaminating drains and fecal matter, and also for the sterilization of instruments and apparatus. So here is the drug including that category: turmeric or the curcuma. Turmeric is also called as the curcuma. Synonym: Indian saffron or haldi, or in Marathi it is called as halkund. Biological source: turmeric consists of dried as well as fresh rhizomes of a plant known as Curcuma longa Linn, family Gingiberaceae. Geographical source: West Pakistan, India, Malaysia and China. In India, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, UP and Punjab. Organoleptic characters: curcuma. Color is: externally it is yellowish to yellowish brown, internally it is yellowish to orange Odor characteristic: taste is slightly bitter, size is 2 to 5 cm in length and 1 to 2 cm in thickness. Shape is ovate or oblong. Chemical constituents: in turmeric 5% volatile oil, then it also contains resins. It also contains the abundant gingiberaceous starch grains, yellow coloring substances known as curcuminoids. Chief component of curcuminoids is known as curcumin. Next is the identification test or the chemical test. First one is the powdered drug plus sulfuric acid. It gives crimson color. Then second test is aqueous solution of a turmeric plus boric acid. It gives a reddish color. After addition on alkali, it shows greenish blue color. Uses of turmeric: turmeric used as an antiseptic, expectorant, as a condiment or a spice. It is also used as a coloring agent, especially for ointment and skin. Improves skin health, helps for wound healing, used as an anti-inflammatory. It also boosts immunity and also improves digestion. And also it is used in the various cosmetic preparations. Next drug is the benzoin. Synonym is Sumatra benzoin or gum benzoin. Biological sources, it is balsamic resin obtained from Styrax benzoin, that is Sumatra benzoin, and Styrax tochinaceae is Siam benzoin, and other species of a Styrax belonging to family Styraceae. Geographical source is Southeastern Asia, Thailand and Vietnam. These are the geographical source of benzoin. Next is the organoleptic characters of the benzoin. Sumatra benzoin color is, it is grayish to brown or grey in color. Odor is aromatic and characteristic. Taste is sweetish and slightly acrid. Chemical constituents. Sumatra benzoin contains pre-balsamic acids and esters, derivatives from them. Triterpenoid acids such as Sumatra racemic and Cia-racemic acid are also present. The major constituent of Siam benzoin is an ester of coniferyl benzoate. So these are the chemical constituent of the benzoin. Next is the chemical test for the benzoin, that is identification test. First one is the alcoholic solution of a benzoin with water gives milky white solution. Then second one is the benzoin plus ether, it gives extract plus H2SO4. After that it shows brown color and it indicates Sumatra benzoin is present, and deep purplish red color, it indicates Siam benzoin is present. Then benzoin plus 4 ml KMnO4, it shows odor of benzaldehyde. Then uses of a benzoin, it is irritating expectorant, carminative, diuretic, externally used as antiseptic and protective, treatment of upper respiratory tract infections. So these are the uses of a benzoin. Next drug is myrrh. Synonym is gum myrrh or the bowl myrrh. Biological sources, it is an oleogum resin obtained from Commiphora molmol, belonging to family Burseraceae. Geographical sources, Northeast Africa, Southern Arabia. So these are the geographical sources of a myrrh. Organoleptic characters of the myrrh. Color is externally reddish brown, internally brown in color. Odor is aromatic and agreeable. Taste is aromatic, bitter and acrid. Surface is rough. Size is about 1.5 to 3 cm in diameter. Shape is found in the form of rounded or irregular tears. So these are the organoleptic characters of the myrrh. Chemical constituents of a myrrh. You can see here in the image, there is the myrrh and the production or the oil is made from the myrrh. It contains about 10% of a volatile oil, 60% of a gum, 25 to 40% of a resin and bitter principles. Resin contains alpha, beta and gamma comiferic acids. The volatile oil contains terpenes, cuminic, aldehydes, eugenol. The gum is associated with oxidase enzyme. So these are the chemical constituents of the myrrh. Chemical tests for the myrrh. When trituration with water, it forms yellowish brown emulsion. When the substance and sand are triturated with solvent, ether filtered and allowed to evaporate, the thin film formed gives violet color on contact with bromine vapors. So these are the chemical test or the identification test of the myrrh. Next is the uses of a myrrh. It is used as a stimulant, it is used as an antiseptic, also it is used as a protective and astringent, and its tincture is used in the mouth washes and gargles. So these are the uses of a myrrh. Then next drug, that is last drug, is neem. Synonym is margosa or the neem. Biological sources, it consists of leaves and other aerial parts of Azadirachta indica belonging to family Meliaceae. Geographical sources, it is indigenous and widely grown in India. It is grown in various tropical and subtropical regions of the world. And here in the image you can see the leaflets of the neem, and there is the powder of the neem. Next is the organoleptic characters. Leaves are imparipinnate, 20 to 37 cm in length, dark green to greenish yellow in color, and bitter in taste. Flowers are white, scented, 5 mm long. Then fruits are drupe, 1 to 1.8 cm long, oblong, one-seeded, smooth, greenish yellow in color. Bark is rough, grayish to brownish in color. You can see in the image. Here are the fruits, these are the leaves, and here is the stem of the bark. Chemical constituents. The active ingredients are azadirachtin, selenin, and meliantrol. Neem leaves contain nimbosterol and quercetin. Seeds contain azadirachtin, selenin, meliantrol, and meliacin. The trunk bark contains nimbin, nimbinin, nimbidin, nimbosterol, and bitter principles called as margocin. Neem oil contains chiefly glycerides of oleic 50% and stearic 20% acids. Next is the uses of the neem. Neem is used as an antiseptic and insecticide. Neem oil, nimbin, and nimbidin are active against various fungi. The drug also have anti-fertility and antiviral properties and is being screened for efficiency in treatment of AIDS. And also there are some health benefits of a neem. It boosts immune system, beneficial in treating acne, gives relief from bad breath, helps to protect against diabetes, effective in treating malaria symptoms, helps to eliminate dandruff and strengthen hair, prevents development of blemishes and pimples, protects teeth and gums against oral periodontal, then lowers risk of a cancer and cardiovascular diseases, provides relief from constipation, bloating and cramping, helps to treat or prevent certain sexually transmitted diseases. So these are the uses or the health benefits of the neem, and in market huge number of the products are available. So this topic is over. Thank you for listening.